All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, we actually did finally get into using our open source models. Let's have a look, but tonight was a long night. Like I said, I was going to try to initially use only the VSC code, not the VSC code, but the VS code to actually start running everything that we were going to do. But of course, I ran into hiccups because of a lot of the imports were depreciated, which means that they were out of not out of service, pretty much out of service and no longer in use. So we had to find a workaround to try to get all of the new ones and try to bring them over. But of course, we had an issue with that. Not everything translated over well. So I ended up going back to the notebook. And of course, the notebook ended up working. So we started using the notebook for tonight. And as you can see, we started with our imports. We have here from LangChain import, prompt templates, Hugging Face Hub, LLM chains. You can see we have our import OS, our environment, our Huggy Face, Hub API token. This is a token. I'm going to change that. I tried to use my original token. It seemed like somebody tried to use it already. So yeah, I'm going to generate a new token after I'm done with this. But I use this one here and everything worked fine. This is our prompt. Prompt equals template. Input variables is product. Template is what is a good name for a company that makes product. Then we have our chain equals LLM chain. Then you know that already. This is the model we're using here. Google, Flan, TS5 large. These are the parameters. Prompt equals prompt. And the question we asked was books. So the question is, what is a good name for a company that makes books? And it came back with Edison. And I can do this live here for you right now and just type in a different name so I can show you that it is actually working. Let's say shoes, for example. So what is a good name for a company that makes shoes? We'll go ahead and run that. I don't know why S I think that's already a shoe company name. Espada. That seems pretty familiar. Let's just try another one just so we can go let's do video games. So we'll do video games. Nintendo, of course. So this is giving me good names, but these companies already exist. So we should have been a little more specific. But I did want to show you that everything is working properly, and we are finally using the open source models. We do have access to them, as you can see. This is the Chat GPT that we are using. So I'm asking it a question for a good company name for a product. Here's the product here. We're passing in the name of the product that we want to name for, and it's returning us an answer. So yeah, we finally on track. Again, I don't know what's going on with the VSC, why the depreciated versions aren't working over here, but they're working over here in the notebook. That's neither here nor there. Everything is working fine for now, so we're going to keep moving forward with the notebook. Yeah, but we're going to pick it up tomorrow, like I said, and we'll keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.